In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a TikTok Business Center account. Whether you're looking to expand your business's online presence, launch engaging marketing campaigns, or simply explore the vast world of TikTok for commercial purposes, having a Business Center account is the first step to achieving those goals. So grab your digital notepad and let's dive in. First things first, navigate to the TikTok Business Center website. This is where your journey begins. On the homepage, you'll notice a prompt to sign up. It's your gateway into the TikTok business world. Click on that and you're on your way. Once you've clicked sign up, you'll be asked to enter your email address. This is a crucial step because TikTok will use this email for all future communications regarding your Business Center account. Make sure to use an email address that you check regularly to avoid missing out on important updates or opportunities. After typing in your email, it's time to create a password. Remember, your password is the key to your business's presence on TikTok, so make it strong and secure. Avoid common words or patterns, and consider using a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. Next, you'll notice a small box asking you to agree to TikTok's terms and conditions. It's standard practice, but take a moment to read through them. By understanding the terms, you ensure that your use of TikTok for business aligns with their policies, which can save you a lot of headaches down the road. Now hit the sign up button. But don't rush off just yet, there's an important step coming up. TikTok will send a verification code to the email address you provided. Check your inbox, and maybe your spam folder just in case, for this code. It's a critical piece of the puzzle to verify your account and prove that you're not a robot. Once you find the email, type the verification code back on the TikTok website. This step confirms your email address and secures your account, adding an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. With your email verified, it's time to specify your role. Select I'm an agency if that fits your bill, or choose the option that best describes your business. This helps TikTok tailor the Business Center experience to suit your needs. Now select your country or region from the drop-down menu. TikTok is a global platform, but it tailors its service to comply with local laws and regulations, ensuring a smoother operation for your business. Following that, type in your company name. Be precise, as this name will be how you're identified within the Business Center and potentially by TikTok users if you decide to run ads or other promotional activities. Finally, the moment of truth, click on Create. By doing so, you'll officially set up your TikTok Business Center account. It's a big step towards broadening your brand's reach and diving into the creative and lucrative world of TikTok. And there you have it. You now have your very own TikTok Business Center account. But the journey doesn't stop here. With your account set up, explore the myriad of features TikTok offers businesses. From creating ads to analyzing deep dive analytics that help you understand your audience better. Before we wrap up, a couple of pro tips to get you on the fast track. First, take some time to familiarize yourself with the TikTok Business Center dashboard. It's packed with tools and information that can aid in your digital marketing endeavors. Secondly, always stay updated with TikTok's guidelines for businesses. As the platform evolves, so do its policies, and staying informed will ensure your content and strategies remain compliant. That's all for today's tutorial. With your new TikTok Business Center account ready to go, you're well on your way to unlocking the full potential of this dynamic platform for your business. Happy TikToking, and here's to your success on one of the world's most engaging social media platforms.